may be protecting my hands, but my face is not protected under the sun. I know it. I hope that this bike lane is all the way to Gold Coast, but I don't think so. Beachfront is not my ideal place to live. I don't like the noise, the wind. If I'm going to choose between Gold Coast and Byron Bay, I'll choose Byron Bay, because Byron Bay is like a combination of laid back Bali and the Bay Area. And nice. Yeah, I was able to.
Without going on the highway.
I used to be in the highway, Pacific Highway. Yeah, they have a wide bike lane in the highway. It's okay, but still it's scary with the long big trucks. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it'll get worse because they're working from Ballina all the way down to Woolgoolga.
I didn't go to Ballina. I started in I went to Grafton Casino and then down.
You went inland?
Yeah.
Really?
But from the beginning, I started in the Bay Area. Nelson Bay to Blues Beach, Boomerang, and then Tari, Forster, Port Macquarie, and Coffs Harbour. That's the last stop, Gold Coast.
Like surface?
Yeah.
Or Burleigh?
Anywhere there.
Yeah, next stop you should stop at Burleigh. How's the electricity been going? How do you charge it?
I charge it in some hotel or caravan park. The battery lasts for up to. If I use the maximum power, it lasts for 40 kilometer, up to 40 kilometer, yeah. And the minimal power can reach up to 120 kilometer.
Did you buy it here or?
In Sydney.
In Sydney.
Yeah, 99 bikes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's very.
That's a franchise.
Yeah, they have everywhere. Yeah.
There's 99 bikes up here.
Yeah, thank you. See.
Take it easy.
Yeah. There is a pathway here inside the bushland that is near to the highway. Oh, it's actually heading to the park. Oh wow, a river. Look at the price of this surfboard. Yeah, they are very big and they are expensive. $6.99, $7.29. Yeah, expensive. I wasn't expecting that it's priced like that. We are again in the beach area, and I think we're getting closer to the Gold Coast. As you can see those buildings. Yeah, nice. And at the moment there's so many people in here swimming. It looks like it is not winter in Australia. I saw one guy wearing a beautiful sunglass, and I feel like I also wanted to have one. Oh, this is beautiful here. And there is one viewing area on the top. We're not going there anymore. We are now near to the final stop. Yeah, Gold Coast. I'm not going to bike anymore to Brisbane because I've been to Brisbane before. I'm not hungry, but I want to eat. Yeah, from here I can see now those high buildings in the Gold Coast. We are at the moment passing in the residential area, and as you notice, this is a dedicated bike lane here. morning, guys. So yeah, at the moment we are here in this hotel. It's a quality hotel here in Gold Coast, and this is the last stop. Yeah, I will show you the things. Most of these you've seen already before when I started my travel, but I also bought some stuff, to yeah, that I think I need for the travel along the way. Yeah, this one is a very big help. When it's very cold, I am using this one. Most of the clothes I use all of them. Also this one a very big help. It saves me along the highway. This one I didn't able to use this because I always have my cup. Also this one I thought I'm going to use it when it's very cold, but I didn't able to use that. Some of the tools, big help, very big help. This one I use it once when I'm trying to push the nail to the ground to put the tent. Very big help, but I wish I bring a better one. Also good help. Yeah, it helps me not to hold the camera when I'm on the highway. Yeah, a little big help. I don't really wear sunglasses. This one is really saves me to get dry, to stay dry. This is the rain jacket and rain trouser. And this, I bought it because I was thinking that I will need to do a camp cooking, but didn't happen. Yeah, I still have some of this food because along the way, I go to the Aldi, to the grocery to buy this. And I still, this soup, instant soup. I still have this coffee and sugar and hot chocolate. Some of these are coming from the hotels. This is a tissue coming from the hotel where I stay. Yeah. So these things, the first aid kit, hygiene kit are still there. I didn't. I used this. This is external drive because I used to transfer all the some of the files that I have because that's my computer is getting full. All the wirings. This one I didn't able to use this. These lights. This a light. Extra power bank. This the Rode microphone, the wireless, and some of the memory card. It's good that I did not able to use this for emergency. And this phone, I bought this phone $69 or $79, and because of this, I was able to recover my iPhone. I bought this because this one is not, this is very tight, and I'm not comfortable wearing this with my bike. Yeah, that's why I bought this. I think this is just also $3 or $5. I need this because to protect my hand. If you notice, the color is very much different. And in here I have my sleeping bag. Sleeping bag is good, very warm inside, but when you sleep by just this, because it is very thin from the back, so you need something like this. That is why I have this thing. This is my shoes. This pair of shoe is really good. Yeah, this is Jacaro. A lot of tradie, most of the tradie, they are using this kind of shoes while at work. Yeah, it's good because it's making you waterproof. Also, the sand will not go really inside. Yeah, I like this. I will start to use this at work. And my computer. Yeah. So that's it. Also this power bank. This power bank, I always use that. Big help. Yeah, basically that's it. And my backpack. Yeah. Yeah, this is the end of our trip, and yeah. We'll see you later.